Hello student, today we are going to discuss another type of chemical bond, that is coordinate bond. Already we have studied ionic bond and covalent bond. Okay, now coordinate bond. Coordinate bond is a type of covalent bond. कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड में क्या होता था कि जो कंबाइनिंग एटम है, ओके, उनमें से दोनों एटम पार्टिसिपेट करते थे बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन में. मतलब कि जैसे क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल, ओके, तो क्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल इट इज मेड अप ऑफ टू एटम ऑफ क्लोरीन एंड ईच क्लोरीन एटम पेयर शेयर वन इलेक्ट्रॉन. मीन्स कि क्लोरीन एटम, दोनों क्लोरीन एटम एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन की क्या करते थे, शेयरिंग करते थे. ओके, नाउ इन केस ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड, ओके, बोथ एटम are shared their electron, but only one atom provided sharing of electron. Okay, now look here, what is the definition, and then I explain with example. Okay, now look here, what is the definition? A coordinate bond is a type of covalent bond, okay, in which both the electrons of shared pair come from, this one is the important, comes from one of the two combining atom. Okay, one of the two combining atom. Now meaning is that the pair of electron comes from only one atom. In covalent bond, both atom electron comes from both atom in covalent bond, but in coordinate bond the pair of electron comes from one atom of combining two atom. So this is the definition. A coordinate bond is a type of covalent bond in which both the electron are shared, both the electron, okay, means a pair of electron come from one of the two combining atom. In other words, it also defined as a bond formed between two atom. Okay, a bond formed between two atom by sharing a pair of electron. By sharing a pair of electron, provided, look here, provided entirely by one of the combining atom, but shared both. Okay. So these are the definition of coordinate bond. Okay. Now let's understand with example. Now the example of coordinate bond is, look here, example, ammonium ion represented by NH4 plus and hydronium ion H3O plus. These two examples contain coordinate bond. Okay, and simply the compound which contain coordinate bond are known as coordinate compound. Okay, now ammonium and hydronium both contain coordinate bond. Okay, now next condition. Okay, what is the condition or where coordinate bond formed? Okay, now look here, it is formed between an ions. It is formed between an ions, generally cations. Okay, and an atom of polar covalent molecule. Okay, which have one or more lone pair of electron. Okay, so first condition, it is formed when it is formed between an ions, generally cations, and a polar covalent molecule which contain a lone pair of electron. Okay, now second one is formed between electron rich species and electron deficient species. Okay, now what is the meaning of electron rich species and electron deficient species? Okay, electron rich species means which contain a lone pair of electron. Okay, and electron deficient means which do not follow octet rule, that is less than 8 electron. Okay, so less than 8 electron are known as electron deficient species, and 8 electron or more than 8 electron are known as electron rich species. So there are two conditions in which coordinate bond are formed. Okay, this one. Now going to discuss how coordinate bond are formed in अमोनियम आयन एंड हाइड्रोनियम आयन, और वहां पे फिर से हम लोग कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड को क्या करेंगे, डिफाइन करेंगे. ओके, now example. Okay, now look here, formation of ammonium ion. Okay, this ammonium ion contain coordinate bond. So I am going to discuss how coordinate bond are formed in ammonium ion. Okay, now look here, ammonium ion. Okay, now it is formed by the combination of ammonia and hydrogen ion. Ammonia and hydrogen ion. Now look here, ammonia. Okay, ammonia. What is the formula of ammonia? NH3. Okay, it is a polar covalent molecule, means the bond between nitrogen and hydrogen are covalent bond. Okay, now look here, nitrogen. Okay, now how many valence electron in their valence shell? 5. Okay, and out of 5, 3 electron share their electron with hydrogen. Okay, okay. So look here, in case of ammonia, there are 5 electron in valence shell, and out of 5, 3 electrons shared their electron with hydrogen. Okay, in this way. Now, how many electron remains? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now it means it contains a lone pair of electron. The electron which can participate in bond formation known as bonding electron, and which cannot participate in bond formation known as lone pair of electron. So here in case of nitrogen, in ammonia contain a lone pair of electron. This is a lone pair of electron. Okay, now these are the structure of ammonia. Now look here, this is a hydrogen ion, and plus sign means it is deficient in electron. Okay, in valence shell of hydrogen only 1 electron, and it contain 1 positive charge. It means it loses 1 electron. Okay, now remember what is the condition for the formation of coordinate bond? A bond formed between ions. This one is the ions, and a polar covalent molecule. This is not the polar covalent molecule which contain a lone pair of electron. It contain a lone pair of electron. And why it is a polar? Because here a difference between electronegativity of nitrogen and hydrogen. That is why it is a polar covalent molecule, and it is a ion electron deficient. Okay, now look here, there is possibility to form a bond. Okay, ammonia, hydrogen needs 2 electrons to complete their duplet, and look here, nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It already complete their octet, and in which here possibility to nitrogen donate a lone pair of electron to hydrogen to complete octet. Okay, so it donate 2 hydrogen. Okay, and formed. Okay, look here. These 3 hydrogen. Okay, and when it donated a pair of electron to this, then there is formation of a bond, which can be represented as. Okay, now look here. Nitrogen donated a lone pair of electron to hydrogen. Now look here. These 3 hydrogen of nitrogen, and this one, this arrow represents that nitrogen donated a pair of electron to hydrogen ion. Okay, now look here. Now when this electron is negative charge donated to this, cancel to each other, and formation of neutral, means charge are cancelled to each other. But look here, nitrogen. Okay, the valency of nitrogen is 3, but in case of this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we put on nitrogen a positive sign. Okay, and it can also be written as this one. Okay, it can also be written as, and this is the correct form. Okay, so look here, in case of ammonium ion, okay, this represent coordinate bond. How can we represent the coordinate bond? By this arrow. In any molecule, if you observe this type of bond, it means that compound or molecule contain coordinate bond. Okay, so in this way there is formation of coordinate bond in ammonium ion. Now, what is the definition? Definition of coordinate bond is bond formed between two combining atom in which only one atom provided shared pair of electron. Okay, now look here. In this case, only nitrogen of ammonia donate a pair of electron. Okay, so both are react to each other, but only one atom donate a pair of electron. Now listen carefully. After donating, both atoms shared their electron. Both atoms shared their electron. Okay, that is why it is known as coordinate bond. अब यहाँ पे डोनेशन का मतलब ये नहीं है कि इलेक्ट्रोवैलेंट बॉन्ड आ जाएगा. ओके, सो यहाँ पे डोनेट तो करता है, लेकिन क्या होता है, दोनों एटम्स शेयरिंग करते हैं. ओके, डोनेट करता है, प्रोवाइड करता है शेयरिंग के लिए. ये भी कह सकते हो कि ये शेयरिंग के लिए जो नाइट्रोजन लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन है, ये शेयरिंग के लिए प्रोवाइड कर रहा है इलेक्ट्रॉन को. ओके, शेयरिंग के लिए प्रोवाइड कर रहा है इलेक्ट्रॉन को, इसलिए इसको हम बोलते हैं कोऑर्डिनेट कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड. ओके, कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड में क्या होता है कि दोनों एटम शेयर करते हैं. ठीक है, एग्जांपल देखो, जैसे एक क्लोरीन है, 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन, अदर यहां पर देखो ये दोनों क्लोरीन एटम शेयर करेंगे. ठीक है, लेकिन यहां पर क्या हो रहा है, दोनों हाइड्रोजन और अमोनिया का जो नाइट्रोजन है, दोनों शेयरिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं. ओनली कौन शेयर कर रहा है, कौन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, नाइट्रोजन ऑफ अमोनिया. ओनली वन एटम, ओके, प्रोवाइडेड अ पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन टू शेयर. ओके, सो in this way it is, in this way coordinate bond formed in ammonium ion. Okay, now look, here what is the difference between ammonia and ammonium ion? NH3 are known as ammonia and NH4 plus. यहाँ पर देखो मैंने प्लस साइन लगाया है, ये प्लस साइन किस पे होता है? नाइट्रोजन पे होता है. Look here. Okay, now there are some also terminology used in coordinate bond. Now that terminology are look here. Here a pair of electron donate. A pair of electron donate. Yeah, provided for sharing. Okay, provided for sharing. So it is donor. It is donor. Okay, and here hydrogen accept. Okay, electron, that is acceptor. So in case of ammonium ion, ammonia is a donor and hydrogen is a acceptor. Okay, and nitrogen donates a pair of electron. Okay, pair of electron. So look here, it acts as a Lewis base, and it acts as a Lewis acid. Lewis acid means what is the Lewis base and Lewis acid? Okay, now look here, it donate या provide a pair of electron to share with hydrogen ion. Okay, so species which donate a pair of electron, species which donate a pair of electron, okay, pair of electron are known as Lewis base. Okay, species which have donate a pair of electron known as Lewis base. Now Lewis acid means a species which have tendency to accept a pair of electrons. So what is Lewis base? A species which have tendency to donate या provide a pair of electron for sharing known as Lewis base. And what is Lewis base? Sorry, Lewis acid. Lewis acid are atom or species have tendency to accept a pair of electron. In coordinate bond which donate or which provided a pair of electron are known as donor, and which accept electron known as acceptor. Okay, now after formation of coordinate bond in coordinate compound, it have properties of both, that is electrovalent as well as covalent, only properties. Okay, that is why this coordinate bond are also known as dative or co-ionic bond. So dative bond or co-ionic bond after formation of coordinate bond and which contain coordinate bond known as coordinate compound have properties of both, that is covalent and ionic. So it is also known as dative bond or co-ionic bond. Okay, now one difference between coordinate bond and ionic bond. Now in case of ionic bond, the bond formed between two opposite charge species, that is cation and anion. Okay, now in case of coordinate bond formed between a neutral molecule and ions. Okay, so these are about the coordinate bond. Okay, don't confuse with coordinate bond and ionic bond. Coordinate bond formed between two atoms, and out of two atoms only one atom can provide a pair of electron to share. Okay, and in case of ionic bond formed by the complete transfer of electron and bond formed between two oppositely charged species, and there is electrostatic force of attraction. Okay, so these are about the coordinate bond, which is your last topic. In next session we solve some questions.